Howdy y'all. Another day, another 3 to 4 to 5 inches of rain. I'm sick of rain. And you're probably getting sick of hearing me saying I'm sick of rain. But you know what? Desperate times makes us do desperate things. And I must be losing my mind because this South Texas cowboy, rodeo cowboy, tough man is doing some desperate things because of the rain. Gotta go to my work. And because I forgot and left my umbrella at work yesterday, look what the desperate thing is I'm doing. Can you see see the reflection in that mirror there? And I don't know what this thing says. It says Victoria's Secret love versus something. I don't know what it says. Victoria's Secret love versus, I don't know what that means. But this is my ex's umbrella. She didn't take it. And since my umbrella's at work, I'm borrowing it. I don't care that it's hot pink and says Victoria's Secret. I can promise you one thing. I don't have on Victoria's Secret underwear. Nope, never have.